All right, for this question, we've got a rectangular poster board has an area of 3/8 square yards and a length of 1/2 yard. Given area equals length times width, how wide is the poster board? Okay, so the big idea is the area of a rectangle formula, which is actually given in the problem. Area is equal to length times width. Now, notice this is for a rectangle. So if it's a rectangle, we could use length times width. If it's not a rectangle, there might be different formulas. For a rectangle, length times width. Okay, we're going to talk about the strategy guess and check to get the answer. We know that the area is 3/8 of a square yard. That was told to us in the problem. We know the length is 1/2 of a yard. That was given to us in the problem, but we don't know the width. Now again, we're supposed to multiply the length times the width, and if we multiply the length times the width, that will equal the area. So we could use guess and check, especially in a problem that's multiple choice, because the multiple choice answers are the numbers that we could guess. So in the multiple choice answers, one of them was 2/5. Let's guess that 2/5 could be the answer, and we'll check it. So if the width is 2/5, remember we're supposed to multiply length times width to get the area. So let's do that. Let's take the length of 1/2. Let's multiply it by the width, which we're guessing is 2/5. And let's see if we get 3/8. If we do, then we're right. Okay, so 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 5 is 10, and it's 2/10, which could be simplified. If you know how to simplify fractions, you'll know that it's equal to 1/5. But either way, it's not equal to 3/8. And so that is not the answer. It did not equal 3/8. So let's make another guess. Okay, so again, the length is 1/2. We're going to guess something else for the width. It is not 2/5. So the next answer is 5/9. Let's guess 5/9. If the answer is 5/9, that means the length times the width will equal the area. Let's see if it does. 1 times 5 is 5. For the denominator, 2 times 9 is 18. And we've got 5/18, but not 3/8. So this didn't help us, so that's not the answer. Let's guess the next one. Maybe it's 3/4. And again, this strategy is called guess and check. Notice it doesn't take you right to the answer. So in that case, maybe it's not the best strategy because you end up doing some work that doesn't really help you. It gets the wrong answer. But the cool thing about this strategy is anybody could use it. Even if you don't really know a different way to solve this problem, anybody could just guess these answers and then check it by multiplying. So it's a pretty cool strategy in that aspect. So let's see if 3/4 could be the right answer. So multiply the numerators, 1 times 3, multiply the denominators, 2 times 4, and check this out. 3/8, we got it. So we guessed 3/4, and it turned out that 3/4 was the right answer. And we got that by guessing it and then checking it. So that's the guess and check strategy. And it's really good, especially if you can't think of a different strategy, then and you're kind of stuck. The way to get unstuck is just guess one of these numbers and then try to work out the problem. And if it works, then there you go.